Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Caleb Moto here, bringing you my very first YouTube video on this channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Like I said, this is my first video on this channel, and this is actually going to be a pretty cool video. At least in my opinion, it's going to be pretty cool. We're doing stuff to the Z400, something that I've wanted to do for a while now. It's a little install video, a little before and after, so on and so forth. But I just want to say welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you all for tuning in. Drop a like, a comment, subscribe, and also turn on that post notification bell. It would mean a lot to me, the support here in Asheville. You guys are amazing. You guys have stuck with me through thick and thin, and guys, that honestly means more than you guys could ever imagine. So without further ado, easy. What a way to start the video, right? About got hit by a big truck. Looks like someone already did. But I just wanted to welcome you guys to the channel. That's one heck of a way to welcome you guys. But welcome to the channel, guys. Stay tuned. We're about to cut to the installation, and then you guys will figure out what I have done to the Z400. Let's cut to it. So, yes, it is headers, okay. There was a few brands that were up in the air, that I was up in the air about. It was between this smaller company, it was like Remark or something like that. It was Remark, Akrapovic, or however you say it, and the company I decided to go with, which is Arrow. Really good tuning shop and company here in town, near the Asheville area. Super Bike Unlimited. Everybody knows them. Everybody loves them. That was so cool. Sorry, it was like a squirrel. That is so cool. A little kid is on like a little pit bike with his dad. Start them young. That's right. But they, the shop, Superbike Unlimited, they stand and, basically live and breathe aero performance. So that's why I decided to go with them. But I'm going to get on it on these back roads here, let you really hear this thing scream, and then we'll talk about what I gained and what I lost by switching them out. I know people's gonna ask, Caleb, why didn't you just do this part when you were at your brother's house? Well, the bike is so loud, actually, believe it or not, that their neighbors were getting mad just for me leaving a couple times yesterday. That's how loud this thing actually is. Which I don't know if the video is going to pick up truly how loud this thing is, but this thing is truly that loud. But I know she's dirty, don't hate me. I've been riding all day, okay? Don't hate on me. And that's only $5,000, so that kind of tells you how loud this thing truly is. Next stop, gas station. How much more do I have on my battery? Oh no, oh no, no, no. Alright guys, I gotta hurry up and do this outro. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn that notification bell on. But until next time, I just want to say another shout out to Kyle, aka 828 Moto Rider on YouTube. Thank you so much, man, for helping me get all this set up with my mics and everything. And thank you so much to my brother Mark and my sister-in-law Lindsay for letting me use your guys' garage to get this stuff installed. But once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.